Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the TT Squad. This is a household unboxing sleep haul for you guys. So I hope everybody's doing great today. It is Monday, almost Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Well, happy early Thanksgiving. But let's go ahead and get right into this clothing / sleep haul. So the first thing I pulled out were the slippers. These are so cute. These are the 2-band plush platform slippers from Temu. And it is a beige white. It is size 8. These are, look how soft and fluffy they are. Oh, these are slippers you could actually wear outside. Just look at the bottom. Thought these was house slippers, but these are so cute. And I'm gonna put them on for you guys so you can see how they look. But again, this is $8.88. Let's go ahead and put it on. Hold on 1 second. These are gonna be so cute. These are so cute, y'all. I have to show you guys. Let me scoot back. These are so cute. Yeah, those are so cute. Those are super cute. Love them. So we're going to go ahead and set these to the side. The next thing I pull out is my Sanrio Hello Kitty foldable large bag. You know I love bags, so I'm forever looking for a new bag. And the way how they got it packaged, it comes with a little case of its own. It's super cute. Of course, I got my Melanie. She's my favorite character, Sanrio. And I just love how this has its own little bag to come with it. Like, that is so cute. And this is $16.99 for it. But I'm gonna, I hope I remember how to fold this back into the bag, because I really love that. But, okay. It's definitely big. Bigger than what I expect it to be big. So let me fluff it out for you guys. Oh yeah, it's gonna get a lot of stuff in here for sure, guys. But this is super cute. Super. Like, super cute. $16.99. Also from Temu. Put that to the side. The next thing I got is, I want to try this out, but this is called the One Piece wearable bath towel. This is a bath towel, guys. You know, when you get out the shower and you have to grab a towel, but this is a bath towel. You put it on like a little dress. This is, let me step back. This is cute, y'all. This is a towel that you drop off and then you wear it like a dress when you're done drying. And you can walk around the house with your little cute bath towel on. And it has a little well, not a button, but a push button where you can do that. And now you're ready to walk around the house. Well, as long as you ain't got no kids. Let me see. Yeah, you can walk around the house like this. This is cute. But this was $6.78 for this. Oh, actually they did. Let me see. Oh, they had 2 buttons. Okay. But you know I had to get it in pink because y'all know pink is my favorite color once again. But this is also from Temu. So the next thing I ordered from Temu, I needed some new pajama set. Well, this is a 2-piece plush loungewear, which I'm still gonna wear in my house pajamas. I did get in a purple lavender color. It is in a size 6, and it is $14.99. Let me tell you something right now. This feels so soft, so soft. I mean, look at the material. Y'all know that thing's soft, okay? That thing's soft. But very beautiful. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to put this on. I'm putting this on today, y'all. Taking these pajamas off and putting these on, okay? And these are the pants. So cute. I mean, it's definitely got some stretching room, but once again, soft, baby. But that two-piece, they do have in other colors. This was $14.99 again. Put that to the side. We got 2 more things, guys, and we're done. The next thing I pull out is the one-piece soft modern interior furry rug. I am gonna put this next to my bed, but this is so cute. I wouldn't expect it to be so big. Nice long size. I did get a color pink. Super cute. This was $5.98 from Temu as well. Like I said, Temu does everything. They do clothes, shoes, household items, makeup, name it. So don't sleep on Temu, okay? And the last thing I got, which I already ordered one. This is my second one I ordered because I just like the organized stuff in my house. It's the one-piece simple shoe rack assemble. As you can see, that's how it looks. You put your shoes. It's real easy to build, y'all. But this was $10.89. This is my second one purchasing. So yeah, maybe I'll do a short on how it looks. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do that. Comment below if you want me to show you how it looks when it's all built up. So I just want to thank you guys for looking at my video. It is Fabulous TT. And I am out. See you guys later.